Kabayan, gusto mo bang magkaroon ng financial breakthrough sa 2025? Ako, gustong-gusto. Dahil pagod na ako maging mahirap, pagod na rin ako maging alipin. Kung kagaya mo rin ako na gustong yumaman, sabay-sabay tayong matuto sa pamamagitan ng TRC online webinar via Zoom entitled How to Have a Financial Breakthrough in 2025 by Brother Bo Sanchez on January 18, 2025 at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Pinas time. And also, you can register on this website, trc.ph/2025. And of course, don't forget to use my code to get a 10% discount for the ticket, Rufy Stock Market page. Kabayan, baka ito na to, baka dito na tayo yumaman, kaya mag-register ka na. And also, if you want to become a member of Truly Rich Club, I have a link up on my bio or send me a message and I will help you to start. Ciao!